Big tank, big gun.
Where is it? Northwest?
West.
Or west?
Yeah, west.
Where is the vehicle?
Behind this yellow, to the left of this little yellow greenhouse.
Alright.
Sorry? Be careful.
Should I come with you?
Right, get your AT teams out. Everyone else, if the ATs goes down, you fall back.
Get your
Oxford, we got a tank to the west side of the town. Can we use the AT to destroy it?
Yes, obviously.
So,
Alright, AT then.
I've just managed to get his...
Ask permission to kill a tank.
Careful, Raider.
Where is it?
It's west, to
West.
the left of this
Yep.
yellow greenhouse in front.
Oxman,
Yes.
we need a casevac immediately. Irish is...
Taking fire!
The thing is, Shipmunk is down. I don't have any connections with one or the aircore at all.
Switch
No eyes.
radio to one, channel 2. It's real close
Yeah,
to
the
each other,
thing is,
can
we
do it.
have a tank on the west side. We need to clear all the tanks before we kill in it.
Yeah, but no, if you land a helicopter on the east side of town, it's fine. I landed currently
Raven, this is
previously.
110.
I don't see shit.
Right side of the tree line.
Raven, are you able
Yeah,
to come
get
in for
Cash back
Casevac on the east side of town?
Already on it.
Casualty.
God, it's so good to see
I'm
friendlies
moving up.
again.
Oh my
Oh my
god!
God.
When you say back here, I'm
How are
assuming
you
you mean the
alive?
bunker.
Yeah.
Hey man. Hey man.
Hey, hey.
Hey man.
How's it going?
Theo Cross,
I heard you had a tank problem.
you're the hero. Gotham deserves.
Where's it?
move back to the bunker as well?
Negative hold.
If you peek around this corner, you're dead, mate. I promise you, you'll die.
This corner.
Yeah. Don't pop around, please. You're gonna doom yourselves. Take right, you can be the hero.
Theo, you can do it.
No, again, guys.
Raider,
Do
Take
it.
the left.
Do it.
Oh, no.
There's no tank here.
Theo.
It's
Keep
further
getting
to the
shot,
left.
but they keep popping out. No, he's going to.
Negative,
oh, no,
just hold by the bunker. Theo,
No,
the
you
you
need
do
a
the front
cover.
tank. To the
Look
left
over
side.
there. They keep
On the
popping
south
out
side.
and getting shot at.
I know.
Engineer,
I've been
look
here a
over
while.
Just peek around the corner directly west.
there.
You should be able to see it. Be careful.
Popping out.
Lean. You should lean.
On top of there.
You would think that low.
Yeah, the vehicle there.
Why aren't they
Is it on top of the
Oh
ridge?
shit, I hear a tank.
Yeah, that's it. The brown thingy.
It just got serious.
Oh, it, yeah.
Oh shit.
It... Yeah, low.
Cousin, watch out your feet, mate.
Made him angry.
Yeah, I'm fine.
The bullets are landing in front of your feet.
Yeah, I
He's
know.
hardcore.
I'm going to use myself as a shield.
You're doing whatever you can to protect Cousin from manhood, right?
We have to protect Cousin. Oh shit.
At the moment,
You're not
it
doing
looks like
very well job.
at the,
It's the left.
just looks like
Unfortunately.
he's trying to protect his manhood. What the hell, dude, up there?
Was that a hit? Sounded like a hit.
You're insane to the northwest.
You can do it, mate. Believe in yourself. That's all you have to do. Believe in yourself.
Easy put off the red.
Just tell him time to believe in himself. You can do it, mate.
We seriously.
How many ATs have we spent on that tank now?
I don't know, too many.
If you look in my back, you'll see why we don't
You can
really
do it.
mind.
Theo, I thought you were a good shot.
I hit it twice at least.
See what's in there?
Oh, I wish you died.
You took
What do you mean there's nothing
You
in there?
need... Engineer?
you
Beyond
frickin-
or rocket?
Yeah, because this guy.
Yeah, go back to the crate and pick up more rockets for him. Go.
Sure, I will. I'll pick up a few.
Oh, get back.
Nope.
We got friendly vehicles coming in from the east.
Oh, man.
You can do it, Theo.
Have you sorted the tank?
Believe in yourself.
It doesn't die. I
Let
hit
the
it.
arrow fly true.
Radar, have you taken care of the tank?
Into a minute. Boom. Oh shit. Oh god, whoa! It hit your fucking AT! Holy shit! It hit your AT there!
Hit it!
That's a YouTuber.
See that shit? That was crazy!
That was amazing.
He used it as a shield, it's like
Ricochet.
fucking Viking.
AT.
Still not down.
Have you hit it yet?
I hit it like 4 times!
2 ATs firing at it.
Hit it more!
This, engineers running back and forth with more ATs.
Theo, stop tickling it, mate. Get on with it.
We're saying?
Where is it? I can't even see it.
They call me.
Oh no, your leg, mate! Your leg!
Yeah, now I'm wounded.
It's just still
How's it going?
Fine,
You're doing CPR to the grass to heal his
It
leg.
doesn't die.
Is Theo still up?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good.
I bet you still haven't gone through the first load of munitions I gave you. I mean, you took from me.
No, just half of them.
Okay. There's another AT. We have another AT guy. Should I go give some to Sank? Sank with some ammo. Did I give Sank some ammo?
Okay, this is getting silly. I mean,
It's getting very funny.
But
We are being useful.
Yeah, this guy looks pretty cool.
they
yo.
take they take about as much space as Ken Light. I think they're inflatable. I don't know.
Do you have any spare
S off
bandages?
tomorrow,
I
man.
think that could
S.
explain why they don't do much.
Sounds good.
I think we're going to beat
Do you have a...
48.
This is like the walls.
Theo, engineer.
Yeah.
Look in engineer.
Okay.
He got some stuff in his backpack.
no, I do have enough, but I hit it like 6 times and it doesn't do anything to it.
Long range.
Exactly. That's why it's cool for me to carry 24 of them.
Do more!
How much do I? I still have 12 of them in my backpack.
Well, give me some. I'm gonna grab a new position and...
Okay.
Wait a sec.
I still got 12 left in my backpack.
Yeah, let's sneak around the back. Let's sneak around the back and get it. I'm gonna go to my team and die, because I'm crossing over here.
Okay, I only took half of them.
Right, if you can move over to the east
Right,
side of town.
that's
and
only
swing
6
around to the northern
frickin'
forest,
rockets.
brother. Get 80 shots on the back. instead of
Still
the
no
front.
radar around here.
I regret.
Need to keep
Where do I am?
Scratch that,
Well.
brother.
Good luck.
Alright, never mind, go back to your positions.
Have fun.
Contacts north side.
Alpha, pull back.
I wish the
Bravo, we're moving east.
4-man patrol, moving south, northern side.
Alpha's pulling back. Alpha, we're pulling out.
Yeah, I'm being pinned.
we just have a T-72 east of us. We just have a T-72 west of us coming down. We're just casually walking here. Like,
Bravo, we need to